The halving will take place April 2024. Roughly 6 to 8 months after that, we will start seeing the bull run slowly begin to show, then we go into full effect 2025. Oh boy. The bull market will not start at the end of 2024, nor in 2025 as the Dogecoin millionaire claims. And I'll tell you why, and I'll give you proof. Second, we will talk again about the possibility of Dogecoin hitting $16 in this bull market. But most importantly, I will tell you why people want this information to come to you. I mean, why are they telling you that the bull market will start in 2024-25 and that Dogecoin will reach $16? What is their interest in it, and what are they hiding from you? The Dogecoin millionaire wrote this to his almost 300,000 followers on X a few days ago. The bull run is not here, folks. Fight the urge to buy a bunch of crypto right now and pack all your bags just yet. Main reason why the bull run isn't here is that the Bitcoin halving still has to happen before we see the real bull. The halving will take place April 2024, roughly 6 to 8 months after that we will start seeing the bull run slowly begin to show, then we go into full effect 2025. Okay, first, there is no universally accepted definition of a bull market, but the widely accepted view is that a bull market begins when prices go up, or are expected to go up for an extended period of time. So a bull market is when prices have higher highs and higher lows. For example, when it comes to the stock market, a bull market is said to have started when prices rise by 20% from recent lows. When it comes to crypto, due to volatility, a higher percentage is taken into account. There is no general agreement on what that percentage is, whether it is 30 or 40, although in the last few years it has been unofficially calculated that this threshold is 50%, both when it comes to bull and when it comes to bear market. So, when the price of Bitcoin rises more than 50% over a long period of time, with higher highs and higher lows, the bull market has begun. Conversely, when Bitcoin falls more than 50% over an extended period of time, with lower highs and lower lows, a bear market has begun. Although you may have bought Dogecoin, Ethereum, other Cardano, XRP, or any other crypto, and think that Bitcoin is meh, the fact is that it is still the market leader, according to whose price movement the prices of all other cryptocurrencies are aligned. So, deal with it. Okay, now that we know this, let's see when the crypto bull market will start. What do we need? We need higher highs and higher lows for an extended period of... Oh, look! The bull market started in January of this year, 2023. What? Why didn't anyone tell us this? Wait. It can be. We still need to see when the price went up 50%, right? Oh, that happened in March. Confirmation of the bull market happened in March. The price of Bitcoin has crossed $25,000. So, the price of Bitcoin hovered somewhere around $16,000 from November 2022 to mid-January 2023. Bitcoin has bottomed several times, looking for solid support. After 2 months of price stagnation, or rather after many attempts by short sellers to knock it down, it became clear to everyone that no one wants to sell their Bitcoin below that more or less $16,000. That was a time when almost all retail investors left crypto. Now we will talk about whether Dogecoin will reach $16 in this bull market. This topic is controversial for many, both on X, on Reddit, but also on YouTube and other social networks. But before we unpack this, it should first be said that no one knows what the future holds, including me. So don't trust anyone. Verify the data yourself and make an informed conclusion. Dogecoin supply is currently 141.7 billion. Annual issuance is fixed and amounts to 5 billion. This means that Dogecoin supply, for example, will be 146.7 billion in 1 year or 151.7 billion in 2 years. If we take this middle number, for example, it means that Dogecoin's market cap would be $2.34 trillion if it reaches the price of $16. Before I go on, I have to say, I think that the market cap as an indicator is stupid when it comes to crypto and should not exist there. Why? That is a topic for a whole separate video. But right now we don't have anything else that would give us a number that we can rely on, because we can't on this one, how much money is fluctuating in crypto. So again, at a price of $16, the Dogecoin market cap would be $2.34 trillion. The market cap of all crypto in the last bull market was around $2.7 trillion at its peak. This means that if Dogecoin were to be $16, almost all of the money that was in crypto in the last bull market should only go into Doge. In theory, it's doable. In practice, not so much. But we expect the market cap of the entire crypto in the next bull market to be much bigger, right? True, but how much bigger? In the bull market of 2017-2018, more precisely in January 2018, the entire crypto market cap touched $673.4 billion. In the next bull market, in 2021, at the top, it increased by 4 times. But we must not forget that big money came into crypto from stimulus checks, mostly from the United States, but also from other countries in the world. While, of course, we all expect that worldwide crypto adoption will bring new money in, it is highly debatable how much it will be. So let's say, for the sake of this story of ours, that the market cap of the entire crypto will increase 4 times again. That's about $11 trillion. If Dogecoin is 16, that means it will take a 21.2% share of the total crypto market cap. Here we can see that Dogecoin's share of the total crypto market cap on May 4th, 2021, when the price was 60 cents, was 3.9%. In the next 4 days, it increased a little because the price on May 8th was the highest and reached 74 cents on some exchanges, but we see that already on May 9th, Dogecoin's share fell to 3.6%. So for Doge to be 16 in this bull market, it would have to beat Ethereum, or at least be right up there with it. What is the probability that under normal circumstances, I emphasize under normal circumstances, all this will happen? Judge for yourself. We have that no one told you that the bull market has already started, and they are telling you not to buy crypto yet, and at the same time they are telling you the Dogecoin is going to be a whopping $16. Although we mentioned the possible price of Dogecoin here, you will hear such predictions for every crypto. But why? You see, in those 2 months between November 2022 and January 2023, only smart money was looking at the Bitcoin chart. These are institutions and crypto OGs that have been here since the beginning. As I said, most of the retail investors have left. When the smart money saw that Bitcoin found solid support, they started buying quietly, and the price started to rise. It was not in anyone's interest to talk in the media, on social networks, that the time to buy was then, because if everyone bought at the bottom, there would be almost no one to buy Bitcoin, Dogecoin and other cryptos at much higher prices. And so, you who are watching this video now and have not been here before, come to the disturbing conclusion that if you buy Bitcoin now, you would be buying it at more than 100% higher price. Those who listen to the Dogecoin Millionaire and wait for the end of 2024 or 2025 may be able to buy it at 200% higher price, or even more. For the Dogecoin Millionaire, I'm not sure that, I don't include him in the smart money, but all these other institutional experts who give you wild price predictions are doing it to convince as many people as possible to invest at high prices and at the same time believe that they will be able to make money. And the truth is that they just could be exit liquidity for these experts. My name is V. Subscribe.